My name is Lauren and my husband's name is Seth. We've had our bungalow for about 3 years now. When we originally purchased the house, this was sold to us as a carport, and it had a roof on it that was just opaque, and so there was no sunlight, and we felt like it was a big enough area to convert into a more usable outdoor space. So one thing that we noticed when we first moved in, the grass in the yard caused water runoff toward the foundation of the house. What we had to do was dig up the entire yard, put it on a slope, pitch the yard away from the house, also from the garage foundation, and move it toward an area where it could drain out of our property. A few of the choices that we made were very intentional to make sure that there were plants in bloom all year, but also plants that were native to the Chicago area, which is something we love because they're very low maintenance, they're used to rough Chicago winters, and they always come back stronger. We love to focus on sustainability, and so one of the things that we have is a compost for our yard waste. So if we cut the grass clippings go there. When the garden becomes a little overgrown, we trim it back, we toss everything back there, and then what happens over the course of a year is it will break down, and then we're able to actually use that compost in the garden. So it's just going back to where it came from. It also helps with maintenance of the yard because we don't have to constantly get yard waste bags. For this patio space, we made it really versatile. We have a swing that you can take a nap on, you can sit on it. We also have 2 dogs and they love to use that as their bed. So we put a dog door in, which is great because they love to go in and out into the shade under here. They love to spend time in the garden. The other thing that we did, we have a wall that is on a caster, and then it kind of just brings together the entire backyard and really the whole flow of the house when we're entertaining. I think what we really love is the versatility and just the ability to be excited about people coming over and coming into the backyard and having, a reaction of like, wow, you guys really did a great job with this space.